Okay, so let's look at this question too. So like we said, iron 2 oxide is this green one here. Iron 2 oxide is here. They've given us the mass is 320 grams. The other thing that they're talking about in the questions is H2. Okay, so part A. What mass of iron is produced from 320 grams of Fe2O3? So immediately the first thing that you think is, well, how many moles is 320 grams of Fe2O3? So if N equals M divided by Mr, that's going to equal 320 divided by the Mr of Fe2O3, which I just had, apologies, is 160. Nice round number. Equals 2 moles of Fe2O3. Now, if you get lost in these calculations, it's very easy to get lost. I would always recommend writing this kind of thing of what it is to help you to keep on track with where you are going. Okay, so it says what mass of iron. So I'm just going to highlight iron in a different colour. Let's do it in blue. Iron, and come back to a pen. So looking at my balance symbol equation, it's 1 mole of Fe2O3 reacts with 2 moles of iron, so it's going to be a 1:2 ratio, okay, of Fe2O3 to Fe. If I have 2 moles going in, therefore I'm going to have 4 moles of iron coming out based on that ratio. Okay, so I know I have 4 moles of iron. What is the mass of 4 moles of iron? Well, using, just draw a triangle for reference, N equals M over Mr. Mass equals N times Mr, which equals 4, and I know the mass of iron is 56. And that equals 224 grams of Fe. Again, annotating it to keep myself clear. And that is the correct answer. Okay, to work out with to work down to question B, what volume of hydrogen? Just going to change my pen colour. Bring it back to black. What volume of hydrogen reacts with 320 grams of Fe2O3? Well, I'm going to have the same number of moles. 2 moles of Fe2O3 that we worked out in part A. Coming up to my symbol equation, I'm looking at a different ratio, so I'm comparing hydrogen to Fe2O3. So H2, sorry, I made a mistake there. Fe2O3 to hydrogen, it's a 1:3 ratio, looking at that 3 up there. So therefore, if I have 2 moles of this going in, I'm going to multiply it by 2, 6 moles of H2 coming out. Now, using that information, I'm then going to use the triangle for the gas calculations that we looked at today. So N equals V over MV, and we're being asked in the question to work out volume. So volume equals number of moles times molar volume. Number of moles we just worked out was 6. Multiplied by the molar volume, I'm going to use decimeters cubed, which is 24. Equals 144, and because I used 24, it's in decimeters cubed, and that is the answer. Alright, so multiple steps. Each one of those questions requires me to use the molar volume from the balance symbol equation and to know what that means and how to use it.